Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atunike. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely gorgeous beret art using this my DIY braided coils. So if you've not seen the video on how I achieved this coils, I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen here, so make sure you check that out for you to know how I achieve this gorgeous lovely coils. If you don't want to use these coils to achieve this kind of art wig I achieve, that is this beret wig, you can actually use it to braid your own hair or use it to make a wig. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm using a needle and thread method, no crocheting, no sewing down. So after I apply the needle and thread, I'm going to put it on the cap. I'm going to pick a little bit, make sure it's not showing outside after you put the needle and thread on your cap. So after that, I'm going to be tying down the hair with the thread. Yes, I'm going to be tying it down, then I'm going to be braiding. I'll section the hair into 3. I'll braid towards the end of the hair. I'm going to form a loop, tie it once, then I'll divide the one I tied into 2, then I'll knot it like 2 times. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm going to put the needle inside the cap, then cut it off, section my hair, lay it on at the middle part of that thread, then I'm going to tie it down like 3 times or so, then I'll start braiding. I'll section the hair into 3. I'll start braiding. the hair. I'm going to use some mousse just to activate the coils to be more coily, so that the coil will keep on bouncing. Then add mousse to add some shine. That is all for the video, guys. Thank you so much for supporting your guy. Can you see how gorgeous this is? You can actually rock it to the church. You can even rock it anywhere. I'm going to be rocking this hair a lot during this summer period. Can you see the back? The back looks so natural, even the front. They'll think I braided my hair, then I put on the beret. That is all for the video. Can you please make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified. Can you see how the coils are pumping, so that you can be notified whenever your girl upload the video? See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Ciao, love you. Mwah.